In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix insert SIM card to access network services on any Samsung phone. So let's get started. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the airplane mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on this icon one more time and turn it off. And after you do that, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just use the SIM card ejection tool which comes with your smartphone in the box. Or you can use any other SIM card ejection tool. Now just insert the SIM card ejection tool into the SIM card tray hole at the side of your smartphone. Now just extract the SIM card tray. Now from here, just remove your SIM card from the SIM card tray and insert it back in. And once you do that, now just enter the SIM card tray back into your smartphone. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go to settings and tap on apps. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now just tap on SIM toolkit, then go to storage and select clear data. Then tap on delete. Now just go back. Now if you have two SIM toolkits on your Samsung phone, just do the same process on both of them. Just like that. And after you do that, then go back to the main settings page and tap on General Management. From here, just tap on Reset. And on this page, just select Reset Mobile Network Settings. Now just select your SIM card and select Reset Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset. And once you do that, you will reset all the network settings on your Samsung phone. And this option will not delete any data of your Samsung phone. It will only reset all the network settings on your Samsung phone. And after that, just go to your home screen and open the control center. In the control center, just tap on the power icon and select Restart. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to Settings and tap on Software Update. Now just make sure you're connected to the Wi-Fi network, then tap on Download and Install. And from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. Now, if this also did not fix your issue, then try to use another SIM card on your Samsung phone and check if the issue is in your SIM card. If the issue is in your SIM card, you can replace your SIM card. But if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix insert SIM card to access network services on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.